presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Corvette. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 54,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include protection package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.